All right, guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be going over how I close another 2K coaching. And funny because I actually closed a coach here, so kind of a reverse engineer. So they messaged me, mentor, same thing. I'll do this to make it look like I'm a human. Okay, so all this, right? It's okay if is it okay if I just say to my business, just got certified, very new, starting with a blank slate, no social? Yes, of course. I have coaches in my program. I help you write with your offer. Okay, let's do it. That's all I had to fucking say. But she probably just got the urgency from the live, which was true because my calendar's pretty packed, and then also the voice message. So I sent her all the stuff. Do I need to pay her? I'm like, yeah, it's only a couple bucks a month. She booked. Work on getting Slack. Call is booked. It should be 1 to 2 members. And then she got sick. But that was an easy close. But what you got to understand is that some people will just come to you and they're already pre-qualified, right? So when I say, hey, I'm on live, she wind up joining the live because I have 2 phones, right? So I had this phone doing the live, and then this phone was basically the one that I was sending the voice message from while I was on the live using this phone. So it's like there are little ways that you can increase urgency, and that was one of them without even like pressure selling. I was just like, hey, listen, I'm on live. If someone took a spot, you can, I'm messaging you right now because you messaged me, but you're not on my live. She wound up joining the live, got nurtured, then came back, and we were going back and forth. So it's like it's a good way for you to basically just hit the right infatuation. It's a quick, easy sale. And these are small things that you can do. Like, what if someone DM'd you and you might be sitting there watching this going, well, this is a stupid video because, of course, it's easy for you because you were on live and they already messaged you. No. What if you get a message like this and you just randomly decide to go live? Use the tactic of, hey, if I go live right now and then I use my other phone and I just basically say, or you open up your desktop on your laptop and say, hey, I'm on live right now. Someone took a spot. Now you build urgency and you're doing the thing you said you were going to do and you just went live. It took you 5 seconds, right? So it's like, if you're not trying hard enough, that's probably why you're not getting results. So it's like these little sales things that I do allow to build tension, curiosity, and obviously urgency. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Deuces.